In this video, I'm going to show you how to draw an accurate 45-degree angle line in AutoCAD. If you want precise angles instead of estimating them with your mouse, this method makes the process quick and simple. First, make sure dynamic input is enabled by pressing F12 on your keyboard. You can also use the dynamic input settings if needed. Now start the line command and click your starting point. Move your cursor in the direction where you want the line to go. Instead of trying to estimate the angle, press Tab to switch to the angle input field. Enter 45 and press Tab again to lock the angle. You can now enter the required length of the line by typing a value or moving your cursor. The angle will remain fixed at 45 degrees while you adjust the length. This technique is especially useful when creating precise technical drawings, architectural layouts, or geometric shapes where accurate angles are important. Once you've entered the desired length, press Enter to finish the line. That's it. You can now create clean and precise 45-degree lines whenever you need them. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more useful AutoCAD tips and tutorials.